Company family culture is a scam. Here's why. 1. False unity. They preach togetherness to make you sacrifice without question. That's not teamwork, it's control. 2. Unpaid loyalty. Gratitude doesn't pay bills. If effort isn't rewarded, stop giving it. 3. Guilt control. They twist obligation into obedience. Say no, then walk away if it's held against you. 4. Uneven rules. Some get praise, others get silence. Real fairness doesn't depend on favoritism. 5. Stuck growth. Blind devotion blocks progress. Your career shouldn't depend on loyalty points. Be honest. Are you valued? Or just convenient?